All right, I'm hanging with Mike Cronin of RC Monster. RC Monster brought you the slip-wrenchal for the 8-scale buggy and truggy market. He's also one of the original pioneers for the electric 8-scale buggies, but he's got something new for the short course crowd. So, Mike, what do you have here?
Basically, what we have is a new chassis kit for the SCRT10 Jammin short course truck, which is, probably one of the best handling short courses on the market. Came a little later than the rest of them, but as you can see in stock form, the battery stands up kind of high. A lot of items are placed up very high in the chassis. So what I've done is I've laid the battery down, moved the diff and motor over a little bit to balance out the weight. I created a little receiver box so everything can sit down on the chassis. There's also plenty of room to put the ESC either behind the battery or behind the motor, depending if you use a bigger motor and you have more weight there, you can put an ESC here. If you have a smaller motor and you need to weight on this side, you can put the ESC on that side.
So the RC Monster chassis basically centers the car's weight left to right. It also gets the weight low as possible. So I imagine that this chassis is going to be a better handling chassis for those hardcore racers out there.
About 1.5 inches narrower than the stock chassis. So all the weight is still extremely centralized, but it's a lot lower.
Well, that's awesome. And do you think this will be available here in the next couple months?
This should be available in the next couple weeks.
Oh, next couple weeks. Awesome. So RC Monster's got you Jammin SCRT10 guys covered with their new chassis. Is there a name for the chassis?
SCRT10 chassis.
SCRT10 hop-up chassis. Thanks, Mike. Appreciate you showing it to us. Appreciate it.